I love you with my heart, with my soul, with every fiber of my entire being. How are you feeling right now, beautiful soul? So I'm here in Bali, and we're down by this beautiful waterfall river space, and I wanted to stop and just share a transmission with you. And so what I invite you to do is to take some nice long deep breaths, close your eyes, open your heart, and tune into the free-flowing water of this river that's sweeping past my feet. Tune into the trees all around me, and breathe deeper and longer and slower. This transmission is a unity transmission to connect you and your sisters and brothers on earth in the most magical and profound way. We really are a family, we really are a tribe. We're sisters and brothers on this beautiful planet we call Earth. So just be here in this space. Melt into this moment. Allow your heart to open wider. Let's connect heart to heart, light to light, consciousness to consciousness, soul to soul. As you breathe into your body, feel this experience. Erienu Maria Taria Shkuya Tayana Yetaya. Asha kuya mashiari ekarienu shriemo kariato. Ki ari ekariene kiriata matukua. Shia mashata kuatia. Esha una kare liema yana watua. Ki yeshu ki ari emushria materia ta 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 ta. Kenu zemu shamashuma sheka ato ua. Yetu yeta kiana yetawa. Shriya mutria matata kuati Yeshua. Eshana una makaria. Eshua unaria matiria mashriya kuaria matiria ku arieru turia kuara. Ena kura kara shia enzuya mayelo watapatiki watakatakatata. Eshua nikia ma ariama vuyesha akata uatia. Shu shu shuktuktuk uya tamatiara. Allow your heart to open and allow these frequencies and codes to flow through your body, moving from your heart up into your pineal gland and from your heart down into your perineum, moving up and down your central column, activating your central nervous system as the energy of the water clears you and cleanses you. And the magic from the trees uplifts you, rejuvenates you, and elevates you. Kiariana shero matoura, yero kiaria mashari kiaria kuya, shuia masharia matira, kiaria kawatiaria. Nuria materia zakata utia shakata utia mayana watayeriana shuya matiaria. Keru ara eru ura shamayana shikua etu yaknumotua. Just be in this space for a moment. Be in the isness of your own presence. Gifting yourself the best present ever. Your heart space, this present moment. Be here now and feel these frequencies flowing through your body, that blue sapphire light flowing from your pineal gland into every cell in your physical body. And that diamond light bringing those codes from your perineum, your genesis cells, up into your higher heart. As your consciousness expands, as you remember, Unity is the key. Oneness. The magic and the beauty as we reconnect as one organism, breathing together, thinking together, feeling together. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes, come back into this space and just be. And know that you are amazing. Thank you for sharing this space with me. I recommend you come back and listen to this daily for 11 days. It's a short transmission, but a powerful one. And each time you listen, the frequency will elevate and you will cleanse and activate at deeper levels. Trust the process. Wherever you are on this magical planet, go out and love your sisters and your brothers fiercely and ferociously. Hug them tightly and never, ever, ever be the first to let go. That's the golden rule of hugging, beautiful soul. Remember to check out our website, starmagichealing.org. We got some of the most transformational ascension tools on the planet, and you can get access to them right now, free for 7 days. Meditations, light language transmissions, nutritional recipes, masterclasses, breath work, qigong, you name it, it's there, ready for you to activate and elevate and become the superhuman that you were destined to become ever since you incarnated on this magical green and blue ball that we call home. Love your sisters and your brothers. Shine your light, speak your truth. Live life by your own rules. And just know it's a magical ride. And there really is magic everywhere, in the smallest and tiniest of details. But you've got to open your heart to see. Your eyes are blind to this. I love you. You're amazing. One love, one heart, one human family. Peace out, beautiful soul.